Hey guys, this is Mike from Maker's Generation. Welcome for a new tutorial. So today we make a tutorial on how to combine an Arduino with a photoresistor that we have here. So this photoresistor works with light, and depending on the threshold we have, we turn on of light we have, we turn on an LED. So we have resistors here, wires here, and we have a breadboard. All of that to show you how we can use that photoresistor, guys. I show you how to wire all of that, with the hardware in my hands. But before we do that, I want to show you how to how I put together the schematic for this one. All right, it's not this one, guys. 1 second. There it is. Okay, seems that there it is. Okay guys, you can see this schematic here. Could have made it simpler. Yeah, I could have made it simpler, much simpler than I guess, but anyway, it's done. Here we have the LED I told you about. So we have that resistor coming out of pin 7. Okay, I'm gonna start with the photoresistor. So we have the photoresistor here. So when you have a certain threshold of light, we want to turn on this LED here. So this one is connected to a resistor that's connected to +5 volt, and the input for this one is going to be connected to A0 on the Arduino. And the output is going to be connected to pin number 7, and that should be it like that, like a GND. And that's about it, guys. So now this is what we're trying to do. We're trying to code all of that and try to have some fun, guys. So that's what we're here for. All right, guys. Okay, let me switch it for you so you can see the code. There we go, guys. Here we have the code, and as I told you, we have two pins that we're using. One going to be the LED, one going to be the resistor. First thing first, this is what we're about to do. I'm going to declare the LED pin. I'm going to connect it on pin number 7, and I'm going to declare the photoresistor, call it photo, and going to declare it on A0, and I'll be closing it. Voila, photo. There we go, guys. From there, we're going to need to declare that pin photo as a LED as an output. Pin mode LED. I put it as an output. Voila. Nothing much more than that, guys. I think that's it. From now on, we're gonna need to read the value from the analog input, analog read. Analog read is gonna be for photo. This way, going to put it in value. I'm going to declare a variable. I call it value. Okay. Now, I forgot to put. We also want to read the value from the analog input, but I want to show it on the terminal, so I'm going to need to see it there. Begin, serial begin. Serial.begin. I put the serial port at 9600. So let's make sure we use that when we're using the serial port here to see what the value of the photoresistor. All right, we're going to use and we're going to print it. Serial.println value. If value, put the parentheses, is superior to 800, we're gonna keep the LED off. Digital right LED, put it at low. Else, I want, if it's inferior to that, I want to turn it at high. Digital right LED high. Okay. I think I forgot to put my thing here. Alright, let me see which one. Which one does he refer to? There you go. He refers to that one. Which one do you refer to? You do not refer to no one, right? This one, this one. Why do you refer to that one? See, we have some errors here. Else, which is strange. Alright, trying to find the error here, guys. Let me put it this way. Okay, connected here. Alright, so I run it. I see where the problem is coming from. And here we wait a little bit. Delay. For like half a second. 500 milliseconds, so half a second. Alright guys, so let me try to run it now and see how it goes. Let me run it. Oh, there is a problem. It was a semicolon, not a colon. That's why we had that problem. I think so. Alright, let me run it one more time. As I can feel an error will come. It's time to. Alright, else digital right. It happens all the time, guys. So we need to figure out how to. I think I make a mistake there. Okay, maybe it was a parenthesis. All right, let me run it. And it seems we're good to go, guys. All right, so the code is done. It looks pretty nice. Now I will make the hardware schematic for it, and from there, you know, I upload the code, you know, so you know how it is. So it's verified. After that, you click on upload, you go to tools, you pick your board, you pick your board, you pick the port, and you go from there. But now it's appearing gray because it's not connected. Before we do anything now, let us go to the schematic. All right, let me switch to it pretty quick. Let me show you what it looks like before we go there. Okay, good. That's what it looks like, if you remember, guys. And now we're going to switch to this. Okay, guys, we have the board. We have the board here, the Arduino board. We have the photoresistor, we have the LED, and the resistors, and the wires. All right, let me put that aside. Okay, let me connect the photoresistor here. It does come with a resistor and a photoresistor. All right, that doesn't disturb you too much. And the pin of the resistor, I put it on A0. So you see what we said, right? We put it on A0. All right, A0. There we go now, guys. So we have the diode here. So LED to be more specific. It does emit lights. So when we have a certain threshold, we want it to turn on or turn off the LED here, threshold of light. So I have a lamp. I put it here, so we see how it behaves, and we go from there. So the plus is going to be at the top here. This is how I want to do it, and we put a resistor here. Can put it a bit further down because I'm going to put light there. I want you to see. Okay, I put it on pin number 7, if I recall right. And there you go. I put it on GND. Voila. So we have it all done, guys. So now I need to connect it and upload the code to it, and we see how it behaves. Let me grab the cable that's connected to the computer and plug it there. And there, I need to go back to the Arduino board here, and from there I click to upload. Before I need to select it. PowerCom is selected, the board is selected. You're good to go. You click on upload. Okay, it's done uploading now, guys. Okay, now I need to see the value that it shows. There you go, guys. Show you how. I show you what it looks like. Let me put it there for you. Alright, I might need to change the threshold here. Alright, so its value is inferior. You know, you can kind of arrange it while doing it. I didn't really know the value, but I read it just right now. Let me re-upload it to it. Okay. Let me try to show you what I see. 1 second, guys. Let me try to find it for you with that software analog input. I can't seem to find it, guys. Unfortunately. Photoresistor schematic input Arduino. No, I can't seem to find that. I can't seem to find out that PowerCom. I don't think you see. No, you can't see it, guys. Fortunately, I don't know what's happening with it, but anyway, okay. Oh, there it is. There it is, guys. Okay. So here, guys, no, we don't. Let me turn the light. So the light is really low, guys, now. So let me put my hand on it. So when we don't have light on, it goes down like this. And now I remove my hand on it, and when I turn on the light, it goes like this. It goes like this. Okay, guys, now let me switch. It goes like this. Now let me switch to all the hardware, so you'll be able to see what are we talking about. Okay, guys. So we have the LED here. So when we don't have the light on, when I put my hand on it, you remember it was at like 50, and I put the threshold at 450, if you remember on the code. And when I don't have my hand on it, it's like 200. When I turn on the light, you see, guys, it should be turning on. All right, you see, guys. So it's off now, and when I move the light step by step, you see here, guys. Start turning on. You see, guys, here? It's on. It's off. It's on. It's off. The more light we get, you see it's on, guys. And it's off. Alright, guys. So we finished our experiment for today with the photoresistor and the LED, guys. So it was to show you how to use the photoresistor for your project. So simple project, you know, but you can do crazy things. You can add more photoresistor, you can have more threshold to it, and have it do more things for you guys. Okay guys, so I think that's the end of the project for today. Don't forget to subscribe, leave some comments, you know, if you have any question or anything like this. You can share the video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video as well guys. Alright, see you for another tutorial, bye bye.